Hey, what's up? Diego coming to you here from my new cabin in the woods. The whole cabin is sitting on pier blocks. They didn't use treated posts here when they built it, and it is just super soft. I can move this, and that's holding the weight of this entire room here on the front of the cabin. So I'm gonna replace all that. I thought I may be able to salvage this deck, but I'm gonna go ahead and just replace the whole thing. I'm thinking of just taking all these off and then putting them inside the garage on some stickers and just letting them breathe over time. We'll see, maybe those deck boards are salvageable. I would like to replace that 4x6, 12-foot 4x6. In order to do that, I'm gonna have to remove the stairs. After the 4x6 is in there, 4x4s are going to be replaced. All 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got everything from Home Depot last night. I like that. I like that. Whew. That is rotten. Whew. Got it. Measure twice, cut once. Go up a little bit more. That's it. Come on, baby. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, yes. All right, let's get to work here. Man, well, it's lunchtime and I still am taking these deck boards off, the old deck boards. I thought that was gonna take me like an hour, but oh my gosh. I've tried to use this bar and hammer underneath there, but most of them, it's just too tough. The nails are so tight in there. So then I have to resort to using this tool. The head of the nail is just basically caves in. Oh man, so it's been rough going, but I'm gonna refuel with some food Eventually I'll get there. Another fair weather day. The goal this time, this trip around, is to replace my first post underneath the cabin. The posts that I've replaced so far are just supporting the deck and this beam right here and over there. But now I'm going to actually lift up a part of the cabin that has some substantial weight, like it's actually a corner of a bedroom.
It's usually not. Yeah, I think that chief in the final time session. He just dropped that to see him kind of lose that drive and then go the other direction. But maybe he'll sort that out and he'll get another shot at it in 2 days. Yeah, tricks and that kind of stuff. So here we go. Things are starting out just how I want them to. So it was weird, and you started.
Never let his emotions. We talked about this 100 times.
Yep.
Never let his emotions get involved in chat. No problems.
No problem for partner. Craig had an unbelievable night. Race was great, and then his main event was great too. It just wasn't.
Yeah.
He didn't have every polished aspect.
Colt Nichols quiet third for Colt.
Yeah. I mean,
he needs to beat all the Frontier guys. That's a factory guy. And people, there's some industry people that are like, look, this kid's ill.
like Larry's garage, not the same as this.
No.
Oh my gosh, that took so long to get all those posts in. But I am finally ready to put deck boards on this deck. So I replaced that post, that post, that post, that post, that post, that post, that post. These two, that one and that one over there, just so happened to be the right length. Once I got everything else level, they will be perfect. So I didn't have to mess with those. Let's do it. Deck boards. Let's go. Couple weeks later, after getting these deck boards on, and I finally got some firewood from my neighbors Chris and Melanie. So shout out to Chris and Melanie. I know you guys are watching. You better be. Now I've got this thing burning good, and time to get some work done on the deck. It'll be nice and warm in here by the time I'm done. I don't think that bracket's going anywhere. Next step is the stairs here. So I'm going to go inside the garage, lay it all out, measure everything, cut it, and then put it in place.
So I can analyze, is this good or is this bad? If it works, I keep it. If it didn't, I throw it out. And
Seeing the way different people would lift really helps.
I have access to better nutrition. When I was in my early 20s,
So I just set this first one down here. That is so awesome. Oh man, I can't wait to finish these. It's gonna take forever though. Those two took me 10 minutes each, so 20 minutes. And I've got 4 more, so 80 minutes. I'm probably gonna be here for another hour and a half just cutting these things out, but oh, that's so awesome. I cannot wait to see this finished.
it was intense. And I guess nobody can keep that up forever.